name's Ryan, aka Rhino7. Today I'm going to teach you how to stand up jet ski ride. Spring! First, tether on your left wrist, and plug it in. Green is the start. You want to hold that for about 2 seconds until it turns over. Red is the stop. In case you panic, just stop, pull the tether. This is the throttle lever. Trigger, one finger. Start off, you're going to have one knee in the tray. And then put your forearms on here. And let it take off. Let it carry your body.
Make sure the tether is plugged in before starting the engine. Grip the handlebars with both hands. Start engine and slowly accelerate. Pop your knees into the tray.
To make sure that you're going a decent speed and you're not going too slow, otherwise you'll lose balance and probably just fall over.
When steering left or right, you have to be giving the gas. You cannot steer when you're down.